All right, guys, welcome to Tuesday, all right, the 19th. We're starting out today. We're gonna work up in 15 minutes to a heavy 3-rep in the push press. Now, heavy is kind of on a scale, right? So it can be heavy, which is like 100% or more, or it could be like heavy for the day, like you had a hard night of drinking the night before, and weights are really heavy, and work sucked yesterday because it was Monday. Like heavy it lies on this weird continuum, okay? So don't be feel too bad if you can't hit 90%, 100%, something like that. Really what you should be shooting for is somewhere in between 80 to 90%. If you feel good, bite it off, you know what I mean? Like if it feels great, I mean, go for it. Go for a PR, do whatever you need to do. That's fine. What we don't want to do though is feeling like shit, go ahead and try to push for something that we really shouldn't do, okay? And again, we only have 15 minutes. We're looking at like 6 sets somewhere in there, depending on how you're warming up, how you're feeling for that day, what your mobility looks like, and stuff like that. There's an extensive warm up with a lot of stretching, so you guys should feel good. If you know you need more stretching, always come in early, guys. Even like before classes, like well before, there's nothing wrong with coming in and stretching. Like you should do more of that, okay? All right, after that, we're gonna do 2 rounds, 12 thrusters, 12 box jumps. 95 and 65 for the thruster weight, 24 inches and 20 inches for the box jump. So the typical like standard that we usually do in Metcons, okay? What we're looking at though with these thrusters, 12 and 2 rounds, it's not really bad, right? You're like, oh, it's only 24 reps with some box jumps. What this is gonna do though, this is gonna tax you in a different way. So you already went heavy on your push presses before that. So really big on the shoulder taxing, not so much on the legs, but it really does start to activate the whole quad, hip area, and glutes and stuff. But what happens is when you transition into a Metcon after that, your legs are gonna be like feeling really good at first and your arms are gonna be a little tired. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to put more effort into your legs, which is what you normally would do. And then you're gonna go to box jumps and you're gonna be like, man, these box jumps feel really weird. And then you're gonna go back to your second round of those 12 and you're gonna try to go unbroken again. And then all of a sudden, everything is going to just start locking up because you front loaded the workout with some push presses to tax your shoulders, and now the end of the workout is back loaded with all legs. So you're going to feel that, okay? You're gonna have this really weird feeling in your quads. It's like a burning sensation, right? And that's normal for this workout, but what you wanna do is you wanna start off your reps slower. So instead of normally like seeing 2 rounds of 12 or 2 rounds of 10, which is later, you're gonna naturally think like, okay, go for it. Get to that rest, I'll catch up in that 2 minutes of rest. You will not. 2 minutes of rest, if you've ever done rest in a workout, you know, feels like it's about 5 seconds, maybe 6. There's never enough rest in the middle of a workout unless there's a break entirely, okay? So this 2 minutes of rest is gonna go by really fast. Then you're gonna have to do 2 rounds of 10 thrusters with the same weight and 10 box jumps at the same height. It seems like less, but it's not. It's only 4 reps total, okay? So if you really want to look at this workout an intelligent way so that you can score highly, is you want to think of this as 24 in the first one and then 20 in the second one, so 44 total. So now what you're looking at is like a workout that you can actually achieve if you slow everything down, okay? So slowing down those thrusters, doing that box jump, stepping off, shaking it out for a second, you're only giving yourself a gap of maybe a second and a half per rep, okay? So if you look at that in the grand scheme of things, it's like, you're like, yeah, it's 30 seconds. But it's 30 seconds that you're not sitting with your hands on your knees, absolutely dying. It's 30 seconds that you're still moving and gaining on the competition, okay? So really think about that as you're working into this workout, don't start strong and get to that rest first. Get out of that rest a little bit later and maybe push it on the back end, on that second round of that second workout right here, okay? Enjoy this one though. This is a really good one to kind of test your mental strength just because it's that kind of same Fran idea, except for the long is just gonna be on the legs. So enjoy this one.